As a father of four who has gone through divorce, I know firsthand the importance of establishing custody, whether married to your child's mother or not. My name is Leon Jones Jr., and the managing attorney here at Big Rock Legacy Law Group. Today, I want to discuss some reasons why and ways how fathers can and should fight for a place in your child's life. Many fathers assume that because they are actively involved in their child's life, their rights as a parent are automatically protected. Unfortunately, in Arkansas, that's just simply not the case. Without taking legal action, an unmarried father may have no enforceable custody or visitation rights. Regardless of how much you love or support your children, in Arkansas, when a child is born to a married couple, the law automatically assumes that the husband is the child's father, granting him equal parental rights alongside the mother. However, when a child is born to unmarried parents, only the mother has automatic legal custody. That means that even if the father is on the birth certificate, even if he financially supports the child or the children, and even if he lives with the mother and the children, he does not have any legal custody or visitation rights until he formally establishes them through the courts. This legal reality has serious implications. Without court-recognized custody, the mother has the sole legal decision-making power. She can move the child away, make medical or religious decisions, and control visitation at her discretion. If the mother denies visitation, the father has no immediate recourse without a court order. While an unmarried father may not have automatic custody rights, he can still be legally obligated to provide financial support. Now, all hope is not lost. There are two key ways, legal steps, that every unmarried father must and can take. First, establish paternity. First step is to establish legal paternity, which means being recognized as the child's biological father under the law. This could be done in two ways. One, you can sign an acknowledgement of paternity, and this is a voluntary form that you sign by both parents at the hospital or later through the Department of Health. Number two, you can file a petition to establish paternity. If the mother refuses to sign the AOP, acknowledgement of paternity, or there's any other dispute, the father can file a petition in court and may be required to take a DNA test. Without establishing paternity, the father has no legal standing to request custody or visitation. And that petition to the court for custody or visitation is, once it's legally established, the father must file that petition with the Arkansas courts to obtain joint custody or primary custody or even a visitation schedule. The court will evaluate what is in the best interest of the children or the child when determining custody. Now, Arkansas law does favor joint custody when both parents are fit and capable. If the mother resists or refuses visitation, having a court order protects the father's rights and ensure he has a set parenting schedule. Give us a call here at Big Rock Legacy Law Group at 501-604-0220 and start the process today. Some fathers hesitate to take these legal steps, either because they assume the mother will always allow them to be involved or because they worry about causing conflict. However, there are several critical reasons why taking this action is necessary. If you do not establish custody legally, your involvement in your child's life is entirely dependent on the mother's willingness to allow it. If conflicts arise or if the mother moves away, you could suddenly find yourself cut off or cut out of your child's life with no legal recourse. Children thrive when they have consistent and meaningful relationships with both parents. Establishing legal custody or a structured visitation plan provides that stability, allowing your child to grow up knowing both parents are actively involved in their lives. And without legal custody, the mother can limit or revoke visitation at any time. She can, as I said before, move the child to another state without your consent. She can decide you can only visit under certain conditions. She can even block you from making important decisions about your child's upbringing. With court-ordered custody or visitation, your rights are protected. Legal custody gives you the right to participate in major decisions about your child's life. Those decisions can include where they go to school, medical treatment or doctor's choices, or even religious decisions about their faith and their moral guidance. Without legal custody, only the mother has the authority over these decisions. If something were to happen to the mother, legal custody ensures that your child remain with you instead of being placed with another relative or even in foster care. Establishing custody now prevents future legal battles over who should raise your child or children. In Arkansas, being an active, caring, and responsible father is not enough. You must have legal recognition of your parental rights. If you are not married to your child's mother, you need to establish paternity and file for custody or visitation as soon as possible. Don't wait until a dispute arises. Don't assume that everything will always remain amicable. Taking legal action now ensures that you have a permanent and protected place in your child's life. Your child deserves the love, guidance, and support of both of their parents. And as a father, you have every right to be there for them. Protect that right today by picking up the phone and giving us a call, 501-604-0220, and speak with an attorney and set the course for you and your children's future.